In a whimsical turn of events, somewhere deep within the Bermuda Triangle, our two star-crossed ingredients met. Mr. Banana, looking cool as ever with his shades, met the ever-soft, sophisticated Mrs. Mayo. Now, Mr. Banana was confident in his own awesomeness, packed with potassium and vitamins. He thought he was perfect just the way he was. But Mrs. Mayo, wise and full of her own benefits, healthy fats, vitamin E, and choline, knew there was always room for a touch of sweetness. Mrs. Mayo knew a secret ingredient to unlock Mr. Banana's hidden shine: honey. Honey is a natural humectant, so it attracts moisture to the hair and helps keep it from drying out. This is perfect for black hair, which can sometimes be a bit thirsty. Mr. Banana upgraded with a touch of honey. Now it is Mrs. Mayo's turn to add her magic touch. Here comes the smooth operator, bearing a jar of her so conditioning healthy fats. Mrs. Mayo knew the benefits of essential oils, and Mr. Banana requested for it to become an essential item in their household. Your banana mayonnaise hair mask is ready to use. Let's move on to application.
And see how dry it's looking in its life. I'm going to give my hair life at this point. Since that's the product in my hair, because the tip of my hair is really dry and brittle. Right, so I want to make sure to get this in there. So when I'm done doing this, it's either I put my hair in mini twist, or I'm going to stretch my hair out to be able to trim out this dead ends that I'm seeing. This feels like slopping relax on my hair. Look at this beard. This is definitely my all-time high. Everything is in purple. What the fuck? Is this how it's going to be for a long time? When is it going to stop washing out? Is it because I just applied this yesterday? I'm just going to cover this up for 30, 40, one depends on you. Just take a look at my body, guys. I have to come out of the restroom to provide a better view of what my hair is looking like after the conditioning. This is it. Look at that pattern. See how soft my hair is. It's not, I'm pulling it and nothing is coming out because I trimmed it yesterday. Again, I'm reminding you that I trimmed my hair yesterday. You condition your hair, trim out dead ends, moisturize, apply your cream, leave-in conditioner, oil, lock that all the moisture in, and you're good to go. What do you think? Is this a good sign for you to go and condition your hair? I hope it is. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. I love you.